Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Hyundai Sonata N line in Hampton Gray. With HID headlamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot collision avoidance assistance, forward collision avoidance assistance, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Bose premium audio, panoramic sunroof, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7191.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.